English you can live in. Clear history. I say, delete all my recordings. Voice logs vanish. No more warnings. Activity history clears in a tap. Privacy rules. I take no nap. Apps ask if I'm sure today. I confirm. They go away. Smart home devices obey my word. Old commands fade. Nothing's heard. Digital life is mine to own. Deleting logs keeps my zone. I check settings every week. Privacy control makes life sleek. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.